Oh, this is Red Wolf Therian, and this is the third time I've tried to do this video. Also, it's stuck in my room because I have a headache and I'm sick. Alright. This time I'm not holding the iPod straight up and down. Now I have it side to side. And the problem is where the camera is now is off center. So now I'm going to be looking over here doing this just to make sure everything's in view. Great. Alright, anyway. This is the Winchester knife I got from whenever my grandfather passed. To push it open and everything, and you can see it's Winchester, and yeah. Never been used, really. You can't really see it that well because my window's given off enough glare to where you'd probably be able to show. There isn't really scratches on it, except for the factory ones, that is. You know, the ones off the factory or whatever. Yeah. It's some wonderful quality for compared to all the other knives that were there. Especially the other Winchester one that doesn't, that's not, well, pocket knife, it doesn't fold in or nothing, it just slides into this little thing that you put onto your belt, and it needs cleaned. It was used. For what? I don't know. But apparently this was gotten especially for me, and yeah. So that's a thing. Anyway, this has been Cunning Wolf, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna lay down for a while.